What's up, guys? Welcome back to another quick, well, not necessarily quick video. This is Alex, MTV Alex, and today I'm gonna go to the trails, but I can't just go just like that. I will usually take my Polygon Cascade, but if you saw on a short the other week or whatever, I'm in the process of lining up the wheel because it's still not straight. My black Axum is at my in-law, so I can't take that. I don't want to take the e-bike today or the blue Axum because I haven't properly set up since I got it back. And the Mongoose is all the way on the back, the 27.5. I have a video about that. So I guess it is now the perfect time to take this Polygon Polygon Cascade 4 and finally do a real-time trail review. Let's go ahead and do just that. Before I do that, please go ahead and consider subscribing, turn the notification bell on if you haven't done so. If you want to check out my affiliate links, check the description below. Other than that, let's ride. Alright, so I got this thing ready to go. Just gonna put in a water holder because I don't want to take the hydration pack. Other than that, let's ride. Oh, right away. Those 3 chain rings up front, because remember this is a 3x. Already helped me out in that little bit of climb. Alright guys, so I'm back over here on the trail, kind of like on a trail review on my wife's Cascade 4. It's the first time actually ever riding this bike. My wife rode it, I don't know, maybe 3/4 of a mile last summer when we went to what's it called, Huntsville State Park. I think I have a video about 2 videos about that, check them out. But it's been hanging ever since. And again, the reasons I took this bike today: first, my T8, as I showed you at the beginning, I gotta fix the wheel. 2, I didn't want to ride my e-bike. And 3, I had never done a review on this one, so, and actually that's number 2. Reason number 2, I never done a review on this one. And 3, most importantly, I have a lot of parts for this bike that I'm ready to go ahead and put on. And I just wanted to review it as a stock form before I actually do any upgrades. So make sure you subscribe if you haven't done so you don't miss any of that. So I'm recording this little part because I posted on the Facebook page about this trail, about a little deep that needed a little bridge, and it's been done. Hopefully I'll make it. Whoa! What's going on, brother? Nicely done. That spot usually puddles up a lot of water, so it's good to go now. All right, so right off the bat, oh, look at this skinny. Let's see if I can make it on this bike. Not quite. Oh, and I bottomed out. I did bottom out. But again, I'm a little over 200 pounds, so if this is for my wife, I don't think she'll have that problem on this trail, or my son or whatever. But that's one of the upgrades that I'm gonna be doing. Well, Just gotta remind you that this is a small frame. I usually ride a large. So this bike, 27.5, actually feels really short and nimble, which I kind of dig. It's flowy, fast rolling. Freaking like it. Bottoms out. Yeah, the fork for me is a problem. The cassette is very small, but with the combination up front makes a really good combo. And I'm about to climb right here. It's rubbing though, but let's see if I can make this climb. Yeah, smallest chain ring up front, and I'm on third gear at the rear. Not bad. Chain slap all the way. But with the turning, it's expected. Oh, it is kind of, whew, that fork doesn't help. Of course, too small for me. That preload, I think it's the preload that got me. The other side of the trail. Let's see how this thing goes. Like I said, it's very fast rolling, nimble, really good cornering. No complaints right there. Transmission, even though it's a 3x, no issues, very efficient. Now let's see this rock. See how it goes right here. A rooty climb, no issues. Oh, I did adjust the preload just a bit. This is seems to be doing a whole lot better. I guess this bike, I can call it the little bike that could, because he can. He's taking everything so far on this trail. The mistakes, they're mostly because it's not my size. That's why I can't consider any of that to be as a factor. The handling, pretty well. Wheels are through. Shifting, front and rear very well. The coil fork is very entry level and not very expensive. How's it going? But the frame quality is there. It's a great platform for upgrades if you don't want a big box bike. I was just talking to a guy with a 2000 Cannondale Lefty. Chris, if you're watching this video, nice to meet you, man. Cool bike you got over there, man. Cool bike over there. Different, you don't see them all the time. It's probably the second one I've seen on this trail. All right, so back to it. I guess it's just gonna be the small chain ring helps on this climb. Now if you like this bike, you know who else has one? Chris from the Chad. He has one just like this one, but it's the green one. Make sure you check his channel out. He has already upgraded his last year and it turned out pretty nice. Now if you want to see what's to come for this project, make sure you subscribe and turn the notification bell on, because I already have everything for this. It's just been sitting on my toolbox for a while now. All right, let's go to the final thoughts. All right, so final thoughts on this bike. What can I say? I really do like it. I wish it was a larger frame, maybe at least a medium, but it's not, so I cannot be biased towards that. Components. The shock is for really light trail usage. You cannot get too much out of it. It's not gonna be really good if you plan to use that and you send it. It's not gonna be good for you. The brakes did all right. I guess they're very similar to the MT200s, but I don't like the design of the cap. But other than that, they perform well. They're 160 rotors, I believe. Shifting, we have the Shimano Altus at the front derailleur, and turning at the rear derailleur is a 3x8. This is a 24 speed, and it did good. Both on the shifter, it has the windows on the front and the rear, so you can clearly see where you're at, so you don't have to be looking down to see what gear you're in. So that's a really nice feature in there. But if I was Polygon or any other bike manufacturer, I just go with a one by. I mean, pretty sure they're spending more money on getting a complete different mechanism from the front, where you can go as simple as a one by. Come on guys, everybody, just do it. And this bike right here for around $600, maybe less, I think. Just check the affiliate links below. Again, this bike, the newer model, same thing, different colors, but check the affiliate link below. This bike, I think you can compare it to the Marlins. What is the Marlin? Trek Marlin 4, Marlin 5, and you probably get more for your money if you buy this one, because it's cheaper and the quality and the components are about the same. So with that said, if you like this bike, check the affiliate links below. You also have affiliate links for the Siskiyou TAs, the D6, all the Polygon bikes out there. I have affiliates with Bikes Online, so check them out. And it doesn't cost you any extra, but it helps the channel a little bit. But other than that, I do recommend this bike if you're entry level and you don't want a big box bike. This right here is a bike shop level, but less price. So check it out. I really like it. I recommend it if you're getting into mountain biking. This won't break the bank and you get quality components. So other than that, hope you liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, check affiliate links. That's it for this one, and I'll see you on the trails. Goodbye.